Metal Rabbits here, and today I want to say that there is nothing worse than an idiot with a tractor. As some of you may know, we recently got a new property. We're working on fixing it up. I'm going to do a more detailed video, hopefully coming out this week, on why you shouldn't brush hog your land. But in an attempt, the flipper, to get this house ready, they hired somebody to come back here, clean out all this brush with the tractor, brush hog. They absolutely wrecked the land, and I'll show you on my better camera in the other video the damage done to the soil and the hydrology. But this ding dong took the tractor, piled up all the brush, mixed it in with some junk, so there's trash, plastic, metal, broken glass in these giant mounds that I'm working on cleaning out. And it's just a beautiful example of when people have access to equipment that allows them to do stuff, they don't necessarily have the wisdom to do it responsibly. We'll talk more about this in the other video. But this is what I've been dealing with. This is why we haven't posted too much. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.